Special majority plus ratification by half of the state legislatures, Article 368. This type of special majority is needed for the amendment of bills that try to change the constitutional structure. According to Article 368, special majority plus state ratification requires a majority of two-thirds members present and voting supported by more than 50% of the state legislatures by a simple majority. Example, for introducing a bill of National Judicial Appointments Commission, NJAC, support of at least 15 state legislatures out of the 29 states was required. The special majority as per Article 368 plus state ratification is used when the distribution of powers between state and center is concerned. So, when federal issues are concerned, assent of state is required. This method of amendment is also required to amend election of president, to amend Supreme Court and High Court powers, and many others. In case of constitutional amendment of simple majority and special majority, all bills are sent to President. Whereas, in case of special majority as per Article 368 plus state ratification method, the President cannot send it back for reconsideration, and only elected members have the power to bring about amendment to the Constitution. Therefore, sovereignty of elected member is the basis of amendment process.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.